am Miss Sonam, an early years educator, and today we are going to talk about some facts about India and our national symbols. So let's begin. India is located in South Asia. India is the 7th largest country in the world by size, and it is second largest populated country after China. At one time, before 18th century, before the British happened to us, India belonged to the wealthiest nation in the world. There was no population explosion. We had food for everyone. Not just money, with rich spiritual and philosophical knowledge, we were leaders in the world practically in every sense. That is the reason India was called as the Golden Bird. Now let's learn about our national symbols.
Lotus is the national flower of India. It is a sacred flower. It occupies a unique position in the art and mythology of ancient India. Peacock is a very colorful bird. It is declared as the national bird of India because of its rich religious and legendary involvement in Indian traditions. Tiger is our national animal. It is a combination of grace, strength, and enormous power. National fruit of India is mango. National tree of India is banyan. National sports of India is hockey. Tiranga is our national flag. It has saffron band in the top, white in the middle and green in the bottom, and an Ashok chakra in the center of the white band. Pingali Venkaya is the designer of our national flag. Jana Gana Mana is our national anthem. It was written by Rabindranath Tagore. Playing time of the full version of national anthem is 52 seconds and a short version is 20 seconds. Vande Mataram is our national song. It was composed by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. It was a source of inspiration to the people in their struggle for freedom. Indian rupee is the official currency of India. D. Uday Kumar is the designer of our Indian currency. The national emblem of India is an adaptation of the lion capital of Ashoka from Sarnath Singh's thumb. It has 4 lions that faces 4 different directions. The wheel appears in relief in the center of the abacus with a bull on the right and a horse on the left, and outlines of Dharma Chakra on the extreme right and left. The bull represents hard work, while the horse represents loyalty, speed, and energy. Satyamev Jayate is the motto inscribed below the abacus in Devanagari script. This is a quote from Manduka Upanishad. Elephant is the national heritage animal of India, and dolphin is the national aquatic animal of India. SHAK SAMVAT is our national calendar.
In India, we celebrate main 3 national festivals or 3 national days: Republic Day, Independence Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. The highest mountain in the India is the Kanchanjunga. It is also the third highest mountain in the world.
भारत रत्न इज़ द हाईएस्ट सिविलियन अवार्ड. भारत का सर्वोच्च नागरिक अवार्ड है. डॉक्टर सी.वी. रमन, द फेमस साइंटिस्ट, इज़ द फर्स्ट इंडियन टू रिसीव दिस अवार्ड. WULAR Lake is the largest freshwater lake of India. It is located in Jammu and Kashmir. Chilka Lake is the largest saltwater lake. It is situated in Odisha. CHITRAROOT waterfall of Bastar, Chhattisgarh is the largest waterfall of India. Qutub Minar is the tallest tower or highest minarets in India with a height of 73 meters. ST.CATHEDRAL Church of Goa is the biggest church in India. It is said to be the largest in Asia as well. It is dedicated to Saint Catherine of Alexandria. National Library of Kolkata is the biggest library in India. River Ganga is the longest river and also the most sacred river among Hindus. Gorakhpur Junction railway station has the longest railway platform in India and in the world as well. It serves as the headquarters of North Eastern Railway. Statue of Unity is the tallest statue of India. It is located in Gujarat. It is a tribute to the Indian leader Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Now let's learn about some geographical facts about India. India is a federal union. It comprises 29 states and 9 union territories. India shares land border with China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Afghanistan, Pakistan and Myanmar. India is located in the southern part of Asia and borders the Arabian Sea, the Indian Ocean and the Bay of Bengal.
That's it for today. See you in the next video. Bye bye.